Now where we are going? We're going for a ride. Oh, this bus. We're going for a ride for the opening for Motorcycle Mall. And the guys are waiting. So yeah, let's go. Enjoy the weather on this amazing green Hayabusa built by Top Speed. And the sun is going under. The weather is very nice. Let's put the air right up. Let's go. Welcome with a ride out in Dubai. This time with not so much bikes, but still nice. And this is what I love about Dubai, the weather. It's become very hot at the moment, but we still enjoy it. Ay, ay, ay. Let's go here. Let's go for some fuel. Just have some gas. I didn't have any time to put on my gloves, but I will do it later. And now we are heading to the Motorcycle Mall. And at the moment we are with only 4 bikes, 5 bikes, 1 Kawasaki, 3 Hayabusas and 1 Honda CB1000. The weather now is around I think the same 35 degrees. It's going down a little bit when it gets later, but now this is fine. When we are riding like this, I can handle it. now driving this Suzuki Hayabusa with a 330. In my previous videos you see me filming this bike, now I'm riding this bike. So it's amazing to have some friends with nice bikes, because I have my own bike here in Dubai, but still it's not allowed to drive on the street. At the moment it doesn't have any registration for Dubai. So then I will do it like this. But this is also a nice bike to ride. Look at this view. You cannot get enough of this view. And also at night with all the lights, it's very beautiful. So all the people they're saying about Dubai, you cannot drink alcohol, you cannot go to the club, this is all nonsense. You can have amazing time in Dubai, especially when you like cars or bikes. And they keep up the speed, because the opening is around 7 o'clock. I don't know what time it is at the moment, but I think we're a little bit late. Look at these fat asses. We get a flash in the front, so luckily not with the plate inside. But they're really in a hurry. But it's better to drive on the street now, on the highway, than on the Jumeirah road, because this will be too hot at the moment. I keep my distance, get a little bit closer. This is also a thing here in Dubai. They have a lot of traffic cameras, so you have to be careful about the cameras. I hope the white Hayabusa with the 360 is behind me, because this bike doesn't have any mirrors, so I cannot look behind me. It looks nice without the mirrors, but with driving it sometimes you miss them because you're used to watching the mirrors. We are now heading to Sukim Road, where the motorcycle mall and motorcycle cafe grand opening is today. It's between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock p.m. So I think we should be on time. There are already some bikes inside of top speed. The grey Hayabusa with the 360 and the compressor, and also the gold one with the turbo and the 300 single side. So when I reach there, I will make some videos inside to show you guys the bike night I have in Dubai. At the moment it's very weird to drive without gloves, because I'm used to the gloves. Normally you will stop at a traffic light or somewhere else, but when you need to stop, you can never stop. Traffic lights go on green, So I think when I reach there, I don't need to put on my gloves anymore. But for the rest of the night ride, for sure I will wear my gloves. Also, the loud exhaust in Dubai is really necessary, so the cars can hear you. This car is very dangerous behind the other bikes. Dubai, guys, if you ever want a nice holiday to do extreme sports, to check cars, rent cars, to have to go to the clubs, to enjoy the area, or to go shopping, you can do everything you want in Dubai. It's like the only thing you cannot do is the thing where the people go for to Amsterdam, especially in Dubai. Never ever take drugs or bring drugs to Dubai, because this is really you can do anything except this. So if you don't need any of this shit, it's the best thing to go to Dubai. And also if you go to the club, and you can enjoy your drinks, bottles, whiskey, everything you want, but don't go wasted on the street of Dubai, and especially never ever drink and drive in Dubai. That's really a no-go in Dubai. But everything else, for sure, Dubai is an amazing country. It's a city of the UAE, United Arab Emirates. Fuck, there's a taxi. I will do it like this. This is very the advantage with the Hayabusa and the exhaust, because they hear you. And this is really important here in Dubai. Because of a lot of drivers, they are not proper drivers, especially the people from India, Pakistan. They are not driving very safe. Come now, sir. We have to go this road. And we are almost reaching Motorcycle Mall. It's next to this let's see where we are going. Let's park the bike next to each other. And with a turbo timer. So I will shut it off by key, but it won't shut off. Air right down, Now I put it a little bit up. Because otherwise it's too straight. And as you can see, a lot of bikes and put it in gear, otherwise it go to the back. Yes. Not too much.